What's up, you guys, and welcome back. And we're doing another video today, and today we're going to Petco. We're gonna go pick up a chunky goldfish. Come with me. We're here at Petco. Here we are entering one of my favorite stores, Petco. Now, they don't have the best fish selection, but they do have a good amount of fish, and they do have a great money back guarantee kind of a thing. If they die within like 2 weeks, you can return it. For any case, if it's sick or if it's dying, etc., you get your money back, or you can get a new fish. Not too happy about the fish, but yeah. I saw these really cool koi. I really wanted to get that really yellow one right there, that little golden look. I think that would look cool in an aquarium. But anyway, I'm not here for that, and I don't have the space for it. So eventually, maybe, but not right now. We came here for these guys. Now, specifically, I came here for an Oranda that they had here the other day. They looked really cool, but they just got them in. And I didn't want to pick them up and stress them out right away. So I wanted to come back, which now that I have, they don't have him anymore. Whether he died or he was sold, don't know. But they did still have a couple other ones. And I picked up this really cute little orange one in the end, which you guys will see. But they did have a bunch of other fish here too. They had these feeders. I know they had a ghost nice fish that I wanted to see if they had here too, because I would have picked him up as well for my community aquarium. But they did not have him anymore. So, anyway, they had gourami, they had mollies and platies. This is the tank I think I saw the ghost inside, but they had these really cool clown plecos too. I wanted to pick up, but wasn't there for that. Wasn't there to spend a lot of money either, so yeah. Anyway, they had those blue gouramis that I really wanted to get again for my aquarium, which would look cool. But I didn't get those either. I had some self-control instead of getting a bunch of other fish. I went there for my Oranda and I picked him up. Now I was thinking about getting that brownish one, because then the colors would be a surprise, but I ended up picking this solid orange one. It was really cute anyway, and hopefully he can grow out pretty big. I already have three at home, and hopefully I can grow them all out and eventually maybe end up breeding them. It's gonna take some time to. So here we have my little chunky goldfish. Chunkers. He's gonna be in a tank all by himself. But he's so cute. I have to actually retie this bag. What's it called? The lady gave it to me with no water inside of it, so yeah. But he's a little cool little guy. It cost me $8 at Petco. Actually, no, it cost me $9.74. $10. Sorry. I'm still a little tired. Been working two other jobs. So I'm trying to make money. Anyway, let's go acclimate this bad boy. It's going in an isolation tank. A much bigger one than normally I would. He's going into a 40-gallon tank. Because that's the only empty tank I have. And it's the only one that I can disconnect easily. And hopefully he's not sick. Otherwise I have to medicate for a 40-gallon breeder. Anyway, let's go bring this bad boy inside. So I'm going to let this bad boy acclimate. And here. Chunky little dude. But yeah, we'll see you back in 30 minutes. Again, you just let the bag float for a little bit, and then you can come back and let them out. Now it's time to take this little guy out. So, grab our little fish. See what he looks like. Pull off the rubber band. Little dude. Now, normally, if it was like a regular fish, not a goldfish, I would probably just use a net and pull him out. But since he is a goldfish, I think I can easily just scoop him out with my hand, like so. And then we just gently and slowly pour him in there. Oh, did you guys see him? Let's go take a closer look. There he is. He acclimated for 35 minutes, 40 minutes, floating in the aquarium, and now it's all good. We can see him in future videos, but I still need a name, so drop it down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this.
Peace.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully I see you in the next video.